Hey guys, Sam here from ecommerce.com and welcome to my YouTube channel. I started this YouTube channel to help other e-com store owners with strategies that are actually helpful and actually work. You see, before starting this YouTube channel, I didn't see a lot of variety in the e-com space on YouTube. I saw a lot of YouTubers focusing on selling a lifestyle to their viewers rather than providing real actionable advice and tutorials that people can use to actually grow their store. So who am I? Well, I've been working in the e-com space for years and I started my first store back in 2013. Honestly, that store failed miserably. I was lucky that I got back my initial investment, but I was even luckier to have learned so much from that experience. Since then, I've vowed to learn the ins and outs of e-commerce and how to do it properly. After more time learning, I now have my own store, which I consider to be pretty successful. I don't like to speak about it too much on this channel, just to keep it separate, but I also have a team of e-com marketers and we help other stores scale as well. And our team have generated more than $15 million in e-commerce revenue for our stores, and we've learned so much along the way. I know that numbers don't really mean anything these days, and so many people online are promising to make you rich. So I want you to go through my videos and actually judge for yourself. Since my very first video on June 1st, 2020, I've been committed to creating insanely valuable content for you guys to help you grow your stores as well. And I think it's finally time for a new era of e-commerce learning where store owners can actually trust who they're learning from. And a question I often get from a lot of subscribers is, why are you making these videos, Sam? What do you get out of it? Well, honestly, I'm doing it for two selfish reasons. One, I know that if I help enough beginners to get their stores off the ground to make 6 figures per month, they're much more likely to come to my team and ask for our help to actually automate all your marketing and run it for you. So you see, it's definitely selfish, but our interests are aligned. I want to help you grow because there's a better chance you might work with me if I do so. And the second reason is actually that it feels really good to help people out. I don't know if it's a human thing or something like that, but I actually really enjoy making these videos for you guys. Anyway, guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for being a part of this thing that I'm building here with you guys. I appreciate all the support and I can't wait to help you guys grow your e-com stores more and more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.